You are welcome to Sarfo Baffoe's TV, Twi Lesson 5, Level 5. How do you say I am? Meye. I am. Meye. How do you say I am going to Ghana? Mereko Ghana. Mereko Ghana. How do you say come? Bra. Come, bra. Come, bra. How do you translate do you want to come in Twi? Opesa woba. Do you want to come? Opesa woba. Can you come? The Twi version is Ubetumi aba. Can you come? Ubetumi aba. You have to come. The Twi version is Esese woba. You have to come. Esese woba. I want to speak with you. Mepese me ne wo kasa. I want to speak with you. Mepese me ne wo kasa. Mepese me ne wo kasa. Speak kasa. Speak kasa. I am meye. I am meye. I am here. Me wo ha. I am here. Me wo ha. I am here. Me wo ha. How do you translate I can do it tomorrow? Make me aye no ochina. I can do it tomorrow. Make me aye no ochina. Tomorrow. The Twi version is ochina. Tomorrow. Ochina. How do you translate sickness? Yare. Sickness. Yare. Sick. Yare. Sick. Yare. I am sick. Me yare. I am sick. Me yare. He is sick. Oyare. He is sick. Oyare. Are you sick? Uyare. Are you sick? Uyare. Are you sick? Uyare. Where are you? Uwohe. Where are you? Uwohe. Where are you from? Ufirihi. Where are you from? Ufirihi. Why are you here? Adɛn nti na wowɔ ha? Why are you here? Adɛn nti na wowɔ ha?